Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix AirDrop is not working after new update of iOS 17. If AirDrop is not working after updating to iOS 17, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is check AirDrop compatibility. Ensure your iPhone device is compatible with AirDrop. AirDrop requires an iPhone 5 or later, iPad 4th generation or later, iPad mini, iPad touch 5th generation or later, and a Mac running OS X Smart or later. After this, then you have to do is toggle your AirDrop mode on and off. Go to your control center on your iPhone. Simply go here and you have to simply enable the AirDrop and then disable it. Wait for a few seconds and enable it back. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. AirDrop uses both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to establish connections. You have to ensure that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your device. From here, you can go to Control Center and from here you can enable the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your iPhone device. After this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is set your AirDrop to everyone. If you're having trouble with AirDrop even with known contacts, you can try settings AirDrop to everyone temporarily. You have to go to your control center, press and hold on the network settings card, then tap on AirDrop. Now tap on everyone for 10 minutes. After trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your devices. Restart both your devices and the device you are trying to share content with. To restart your device, you have to simply open your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset. Tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. You have to make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After trying this all step and you are still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to simply tap on reset or transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.